calling a landlord about a problem in the apartment.
Hello, this is Tom. Who's calling?
Hello, it's me, apartment 4B. I rent from you.
Ah, yes. How can I help?
There is a problem in my apartment.
Okay, what kind of problem?
The water, it is not coming. No hot water.
No hot water? Since when?
Since this morning, maybe 7 a.m.?
Did you check the boiler in the hallway?
Boiler? I don't know that word. Sorry.
It's the machine for heating the water.
Oh, there is a machine? Where is it?
In the hallway, near the stairs. Small white box.
I can look, but I don't know what to do.
Just look and tell me what light is on.
Okay. Wait, please. I am going now.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, I see it. There's a red light.
Red light. That means it's broken.
Broken? Can you fix it today?
I'll call a plumber. He can come tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Not today?
I understand. I'll try for today. No promises.
Okay, thank you. Is there anything I can do?
Use the gym showers downstairs for now.
Oh, there's a gym? I didn't know.
Yes, you've been here 6 months.
Oh no, I will go today. Thank you, Tom.
Getting pulled over by a police officer.
Good afternoon, ma'am. License and registration, please.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yes, here.
Do you know why I stopped you?
No, I don't know. Sorry.
You were going 75 in a 55 zone.
75? Oh no, I didn't see the sign.
There are signs every half mile here.
I am sorry. I am not from here. I am new.
Where are you from originally?
I am from Brazil. I live here now. 3 months.
Okay, is this your car?
No, it is my friend's car. She lent it to me.
Do you have your own driver's license?
Yes, from Brazil. Is that okay here?
For 90 days, it's fine. After that, you need a U.S. license.
90 days. I am at 85 days, I think.
Then you should apply soon. Just a heads up.
Yes, I will. Thank you for telling me.
I'm going to issue you a speeding ticket today.
A ticket? How much is it?
About $250. You can pay online.
Okay, I understand. It was my mistake.
Drive carefully from here. Speed limit is 55.
Yes, I will. Can I go now?
Yes, have a safe afternoon.
Thank you, officer. Sorry again.
Just slow down.
Yes, I will. I promise.
Opening a bank account for the first time.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello. I want to open an account here.
Of course. A checking or savings account.
Checking? Savings? What is the difference?
Checking is for daily spending. Savings is for keeping money.
Ah, okay. I think checking for daily use.
Great choice. Do you have your ID with you?
ID? I have my passport. Is that okay?
Yes, passport is perfect. And your address?
Address. I have a letter from my landlord.
That works as proof of address. Perfect.
Do I need money to open it today?
A minimum deposit of $25 is required.
Deposit. That means put money in?
Yes, you put money in to start the account.
Okay. I have $50. That is enough?
More than enough. We'll get started.
Will I get a card? A bank card?
Yes, a debit card. It comes in the mail.
How many days?
Usually 5 to 7 business days.
And I can use it in shops? Anywhere?
Anywhere that accepts Visa. So basically everywhere.
That is great. This is my first U.S. bank account.
Welcome. That's a big step.
Yes, I feel very official now.
You are official. Sign here and we're done.
Okay, thank you. You explained it very clearly. Complaining about a wrong order at a restaurant.
Hey, how's everything tasting over here?
Actually, I have a problem.
Oh, no. What's wrong?
This burger, I ordered no cheese. There's cheese.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that.
Also, I said medium. This is very cooked.
You mean well done instead of medium?
Yes, well done. I don't like it so cooked.
That's totally our mistake. I'm so sorry.
Can you bring me the correct one?
Absolutely. I'll put in a new order right now.
Do I need to pay again?
No, it's on us. No extra charge.
Oh, good. Thank you. I was worried.
Can I take this plate back for now?
Yes, but the fries are good. Can I keep them?
Of course. Keep the fries.
Thank you. Sorry to cause trouble.
No trouble at all. This is my job.
How long will the new one take?
About 8 to 10 minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine. No rush.
Can I bring you anything while you wait?
Maybe more water, if that is okay.
Of course. Coming right up.
Thank you. You are very kind.